How to add background photo behind Instagram story. Open Instagram app on your phone. It may be iPhone or Android. Look for the profile icon. Tap on it. Choose a post from your profile that you'd like to share on your story. Take a screenshot of the photo you want to use as your background. This makes sure it's ready in your photo gallery. Next, share the selected post to your story. You'll notice the default background is typically a bland gray color. Let's change that. Tap on the sticker icon on the top of your screen to bring up various options. Scroll down and click on the photo gallery icon to access your photos. Choose the screenshot or any photo you want as your new background and tap to select it. Minimize your shared post by pinching it and drag it to the bottom of the screen. Be careful not to delete it. Now, enlarge your chosen background photo by pinching out, filling the entire screen. Leave a small space at the bottom to retrieve your post later. Tap to select your minimized post and drag it to your desired position, ideally the center or wherever it looks best in the background. Click on the Share button to post. There you have it.